Game day.
We ain't playing patty cake today.
Ain't nothing left to say. Let's go play.
Them hits add up, baby. He's 40 years old.
You gotta win the ugly ones. The ugly ones are the sweetest. The ugly ones are the sweetest.
Now Rodgers in trouble, and Beasley. Oh my goodness, is that a fumble? It is. Trufant's got it at the 10. 5, touchdown Atlanta.
Hey, great job up front, fellas.
Hey, that one's on me. I gotta step up. Don't keep working your ass off. Don't need to panic.
Watch to be open.
Lofts it down the left side. Adams over the shoulder. Diving. Touchdown!
What a grab by Duke Johnson.
That's a running back making that type of catch.
Todd Gurley goes high hurdles on Bashaud Breeland to score it.
Up front, boys! Up front, O-line! Up front all day!
Again looking for Gaines, going to the end zone. Antonio Gaines, get that ball to Kent and grab Antonio's gold jacket while you're there. His 112th touchdown reception, the most ever by a tight end in NFL history.
Greatest of all time, baby. Greatest of all time. Go.
Great half, man. We're only halfway done now. Let's keep turning it up. Let's get it. Another half. Let's go.
We're starting to slow down just a little bit now. We need that same urgency. Go get another one. All right, same urgency.
Hey, this is our quarter. This is our quarter, fellas. This is our quarter.
Make brotherhood come to life right now when you're tired, right? When you don't have any gas left, when you feel like it's all over, right? That's when you find out the love you got for the man next to you. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Let's finish. Be the reason we win, not the reason we don't. Every man in this room here is capable of doing that. Make that happen, man. Make that happen. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Make this statement right now. This possession. Make that statement. Let's go. We want this more than they do. We want this. Let's go.
On the ball.
Get set!
I know you hear me.
He throws a lob down the right side for Gronkowski, makes the catch at the 35, galloping to the 20, to the 15, shakes a defender at the 10, and Gronk is into the end zone!
Who's gonna be that guy? Who's gonna be that guy?
Let's finish.
Ryan looks, shoots it across, Sanu! Out at the 35-yard line. Barrels his way into the end zone. Yulee, Florida's own Derrick Henry.
Kick a field goal.
It'll be a 44-yard attempt for Koo.
It's gotta be our game, baby.
Snap, hold, kick is up,
In that.
and it is no good. Koo misses it, and a tough loss for the Chargers here.
We just come back ready to work next week. You know, it happens. It's the NFL. You'll get beat sometimes. And nobody goes perfect. It don't happen.
That's what we needed. Good job. Good job, Camelama.
That's a good job, fellas. That's the way to respond. Good work.
This one here, this is the first of many for you here in this one in the house that you built, man. So congratulations.
Thank you
and
so much.
man, we're proud as hell to be here with you, brother.
Thank you.
All right, here we go.
Gather up, guys.
Bring it up.
Bring it up. On three. Brotherhood on three. 1, 2, 3. Brotherhood.